driver glasses. Well, we're getting closer to fitting it. My fabricator over here. We're fitting and adjusting, and then we gotta figure out. What we're gonna do with holes. Somehow louver it or something for the air. Cause you don't look that bad in there. I kind of like it. Steve, the fabricator, he thought that this area right here looked a little unfinished when it was in the truck. So we're thinking about taking this piece of stock and putting it up against there and welding it in there to finish that off. So when it's in the truck, it looks a little better. See how that's open? See? We're gonna finish it off. We're gonna tack that on there and try to finish it off. Just because it'll look a little more finished. That's what the fabricator wanted me to do. Making our brackets. Steve's making our brackets to hold our new grill on. Put 90-degree angles on them all. How's it look, Steve? Yeah, it looks good. Okay, the next one. Alright, we got another worker here. Me and Steve just got done finishing off those sections. And it definitely looks better filled in now. They're dark so you can't see them, but they're all welded in. We got our brackets. Steve made all the brackets. We're gonna put the brackets in to hold it all in. But it definitely looks better finished. Definitely. So, and then the handle mark you were asking, I don't know if I'm going to incorporate that in with the design of the holes. I don't know what to do. I think it looks so awesome the way it is, but I have to get some air through there. So we're going to figure out, maybe with some expanded steel from behind, it'll look a little better, but that looks awesome. We'll weld the tabs on to hold it together. Alright, so I've been really trying to wrap my head around this. I laid something out. I need an opinion. I really don't know what else to do. But that's what I got going on. Here, let me turn you around. I don't know if that's going to help you. Couple big slots up here to kind of match that hole, and then it's almost like a little brick effect down at the bottom. Just plasma cut all that little drawing out. From here over, that's all blocked off. There's no radiator or anything. There's no radiator over here. Just in the very front is the only spot. Everything else is blocked off. So I don't know. Give me some feedback. Alright, we couldn't wait for you guys, so Steve said do it. I don't think it came out that bad. I like the holes. And that should be enough airspace, I would think. And that radiator's right in there. like I said, this is marked. That's all the radiator spot. This is all dead over here. That should be enough. I'll have to run the temperature gauge this year, but that should give it plenty of flow. I think that looks awesome. What's your feedback?